Hey, I'm Brad Stroop, the director of the prayer room. I've got Tori Ivory with me. She's a member of our senior leadership team. And the Lord is stirring things in America. Gosh, we've been seeing different disasters and difficulties. And in the midst of all that, the Lord is calling the church to prayer. It's really one of the reasons I've got Tori with me today. It's something that the Lord's really been stirring in her is just that urgency message. So, Tori, just tell us a little bit about what's been on your heart these days.
The Lord has just been stirring a lot in me, the urgency of getting to know Him more and spending time in the place of prayer, because things are getting harder. There have been a lot more hurricanes and tornadoes happening with a lot more frequency, and just disasters happening all over. And the Lord wants us to be so close to Him that when people come to us and ask us, what do I do? Like, how do I deal with this? He wants us to have the answers for that. And so if we're not in the place of prayer and we're not in the place of knowing the Lord and knowing His will, then we're not going to have the answers, and we're going to be just as lost as they are.
Right. And that's what's on our heart right now. We're going to do a series coming up in December that actually deals with this. There are a number of prophetic voices right now that the Lord has been speaking to about events that are coming in America, some of which have already unfolded. And the way the Lord's prophetic way about Him, poetry, is to bring forth to these prophets newspaper headlines, like actual headlines and the themes of headlines that will be coming in the future. And it's just really interesting with a couple of these voices that have been getting the same information. And they're kind of intense, talking about riots even in America, unprecedented disasters, severe economic woes, political unrest, martial law declared in America, even war coming to America, and then the church being called to the place of prayer. They're startling. These newspaper headlines are startling. And again, these are prophetic headlines. Don't even know how else to talk about them. They're future events that are being shown to some of these prophetic voices in the form of newspaper headlines. And just as I'm seeing these, my heart just trembles, and I just remember seeing them for the first time and just what was going on in my mind. So, Tori, just what was going through your head the first time you saw some of these?
The first time I heard about them, I was like, there's no way that that's real. But then I started reading through and seeing the ones that had already happened, and then seeing the ones that are still to happen. It's like, oh my goodness, we need to be prepared for this.
Right, right. And so what we're going to do is we're going to actually do a 3-part series on this concept, on these prophetic headlines, and do some dialogue about it, starting December 15th, Saturday night, our encounter services here at the prayer room. We're going to spend 3 weeks looking at these headlines, talking about them, talking about the ones that have already unfolded, which is a sign that this is a prophetic word we need to be paying attention to. Talk about the ones that are yet to come. What are the ramifications of those things when they do unfold? And just getting the church ready, getting our hearts ready. That's the reason that the Lord gives prophetic words, is not to freak everybody out, but instead to get us to a place of sobriety, of thinking, processing, dialoguing, and praying, that we might be a people prepared for these things and able to participate with the Lord in the coming difficulties instead of shaken by them. So I want to invite you out to this 3-part series we're going to do on these prophetic newspaper headlines that we're going to start on December 15th here at the prayer room. Check out our website for any more information, and we look forward to having you guys out.